Hi beauties! Welcome back to Hikoco's channel. In this video, we will be making some natural lip scrubs that are good enough to eat. This is a fun and quick little DIY project you can try, especially when you are spending your weekend at home staying safe. It's easy and can be made with ingredients that you probably already have at home. Why exfoliate our lips? Just like the face and the rest of the body, our lips should also be exfoliated to buff away dead skin and reveal the new smooth skin underneath. A lip scrub should contain two main components, an exfoliating ingredient and moisturizing ingredient. Well-exfoliated lip will create healthy and soft lip, which make a smooth base for lip products to look their best. Let's make chocolate lip scrub. Mix 1 tablespoon of cocoa powder, I'm using Milo, with 2 tablespoons of sugar. You can go with white sugar or brown sugar. Add 2 teaspoons of ceramide oil balm. If you don't have this oil balm, that's okay, don't worry. You can replace it with Vaseline or olive oil. And half a teaspoon of honey. Mix it well until everything comes together. Along with the delicious smell of chocolate from the cocoa powder, honey and oil deeply moisturize while the sugar exfoliates. These ingredients are rich in antioxidants to prevent damage and premature aging. Let's make berry lip scrub. Mix 2 tablespoons of white sugar with 3/4 tablespoons of Laneige Berry Lip Sleeping Mask and half a teaspoon of honey. This is a fun one that makes a pretty pink color that reminds me of Hikoco's pink. The Laneige Sleeping Mask contains ingredients such as berry extract full of vitamins and the ultra moisturizing hyaluronic acid. With the added benefits of sleeping mask, you've got yourself a lip scrub that's more than just a pretty face. Let's make a coffee bean scrub. 1 teaspoon of coffee grounds. Mix 2 tablespoons of brown sugar and 1 to 2 tablespoons of ceramide oil. As I said before, you can replace it with Vaseline or olive oil. Just like the caffeine that we drink, caffeine in the coffee grounds help to revitalize dull and tired skin. This coffee bean scrub smells so good, just like a cup of long black. Now that we've made our lip scrubs, here are a few things to remember. How to use. To use the lip scrubs, scoop out a small amount and spread it out across your lips. Use a finger to massage in circular motions for about 15 to 30 seconds. After, let it sit for 1 to 2 minutes and then rinse it off. I recommend exfoliating lip only 2 to 3 times a week. People with sensitive lips should only exfoliate lips around once a week. The new skin that is exposed after exfoliating can dry out quickly, so it's important to put lip balm on straight after. The Dr. Jart's Ceramide Lip Care is an amazing lip balm that nourishes the lips with the number of natural oils and ceramides. With the upcoming colder month, I hope all of our beauties can try some of these lip scrubs to help with any dryness and flakiness. Which one was your favorite? My favorite was the coffee one. Please like and subscribe. Until next time, bye beauties, let's be pretty!